sorry guys for the wait up for months because I still need to study more. All I need to do is watching YouTube's, and I might gonna speak Tagalog for now. If the comment isn't disabled, just like and subscribe. But if the comments are not disabled, well, you guys comment I love Philippines, or if you're in the other country, tell me in the other comments if you're tell me in the comments if you are a Filipino or any countries. Yeah. So let's start in 3, 2, 1. Hi, my name is Kate. I live here. Mabuhay mga tao. Ako po si Kate. Okay. Nasaan? Teka. Guys, I'm sorry. This is my cat. Ito po ang pusa kong maganda. Ang cute mo. Ang cute mo. Ang pusa ko ay Persian. Or, aray ko, Mangchen. Yeah, oo. Sige. Bakit malungkot ang besyo ko? Kasi, malungkot ang lolo mo. I'm gonna do any Filipino songs. Ow! My God. Comment down below if are you... So, later, I'm going to post a Filipino song that... Kira! Sorry, man. Sorry. Good girl. Okay. Na-end na to. Bye-bye. Mamaya na lang. Bye.